Welcome to the new video of Welding MCQ series. Again, we'll be back with 10 questions from the topic welding. Here is our first question. How many kilograms of weight of thermite is required against 1 kilogram of wax? This is a question from thermite welding. So we have to use 12 to 14 kilogram of thermite for 1 kilogram of wax. What is the angle of inclination of the torch of flat weld position in gas metal arc welding? There are mainly 6 positions for the welding. That's why the perfect welders are called, or trained welders are called 6G welders. And for a flat position, which is the basic position in gas metal arc welding, we'll be providing very small angle of inclination. That's around, here it will be marked as 10 or it will be marked as 80 in this direction. So our option is 10 to 15 degrees the angle of inclination. What is the purpose of using copper coated filler wire in metal inert gas or metal activated gas welding? We will be providing the copper coating to avoid the formation of rust, to prevent the rust. So both A and B options are to prevent rust. So to prevent the rust is the correct answer for providing copper coating. How to protect from toxic fumes during welding operation? During the welding operation, lot of toxic fumes came out from the reaction of flux with the molten metal or when flux burning. These toxic gases are prevented by helmet, hand screen, leather apron. No, these toxic gases are prevented by respirator pads. Sometimes we will be providing SCABA, self-contained breathing apparatus for the welder if very much poisonous fumes are coming. The helmet is provided for protection of head against spatters from UV light. Hand screens are provided, leather aprons for protecting the body. How the welder observes welding area of a joint in electron beam welding? Options: safe optical mirror, optical helmet, safe optical hand screen having correct shades, safe optical viewing system. You know that it will be viewed through optical mirror, but not simply optical mirror. It will be viewed through safe optical viewing system containing optical mirror. It will be viewed through a safe optical viewing system containing an optical mirror. What is the purpose of fitting clear glass on either side of the colored gas in helmet? So we have seen the welding helmets provided with one shaded glass, and we will be providing clear glass on the both sides of the shaded glass. The purpose is to protect from spatters. The spatters will be striking on the shaded glass. The shaded glass is a little bit costly compared to the clear glass. So it will be easy to replace the clear glass and it will be economical to replace the clear glass compared to the shaded glass. So that's why we are using a clean glass or clear glass in front of the shaded glass. So to protect it from spatters. What is the usual length of tack weld in T-joint in gas metal arc welding? So general question, we will be providing 10 mm tack for gas metal arc welding in T-joint. What is the electrode inclination in metal surface T-joint of 10 mm thickness by downhand position? Downhand position is sometimes known as the second name of flat welding position. We will be providing for 10 mm thickness of T-joint, we will be providing 45 degree inclination because it is a T-joint. T-joint will be providing a T-joint. So we have to provide a 45 degree inclination to the weld electrode. What is the usual task angle tilt on either side of the vertical in gas metal arc welding? What is the usual torch angle tilt on either side of the vertical in gas metal arc welding? So we'll be providing 10 to 20 degree tilt for both sides in gas metal arc welding in vertical position. We'll be providing 10 to 20 degree. Last question, what is the type of weld position in which the weld metal is deposited under the side of the weld? So I have mentioned there are mainly 6 welding positions. First one is the flat welding position. So it will be denoted as a flat position or 1G position or downhand position. Second one is a horizontal welding position, We'll have horizontal plate and we'll be welding like this. In the initial one, the plate is horizontal, we'll be welding like this. This is 1G, this is 2G. And when the plate is vertical, this is called a vertical welding position. Sometimes it is called a 3G welding position. When it is overhead, sometimes we are doing overhead welding position. Welder will be sitting here and he is welding here. That is called the 4G welding. That's overhead weld position, in which the weld metal is deposited under the side of the joint. So in overhead welding position, it is deposited under the side of the joint. In 5G weld position, it is the welding of a pipe. Welding of a pipe is known as a 5G welding position. That's a circular welding, combination of all the 1G, 2G, and 3G, and 4G. And 6G welding position is the welding of an inclined pipe. The inclined pipe, so we have to call it as a 6G welding position. So that's all for today. We'll be back with another 10th question on the